That water heater in your basement right now has a metal rod inside it that's been slowly dissolving since the day it was installed. When it's gone, the tank starts eating itself. And nobody told you to replace it. Not the installer, not the manufacturer, not the guy at the store. That rod is the reason your water heater will die at 8 years instead of 20. And I'm not exaggerating, that's arithmetic. Here's what plumbers know that most homeowners don't. The water heater aisle at Home Depot and Lowe's is not where professionals shop. It's where they send you. The same brand, same logo, same colors on the box. Different product inside, different drain valve, different lining thickness, different anode, different expected lifespan. 3 companies control most of the residential water heater market in America, and they all make 2 versions of everything. One for you and one for the trade. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 5 water heaters actually last 20 years. The single maintenance move that costs $30 and doubles your tank's life. And why the $600 unit at the big box store almost always becomes an $1,800 problem inside a decade. Let's go. The part that explains everything is a component called the sacrificial anode rod. It's a magnesium or aluminum rod mounted inside the top of your tank. And through a process called galvanic corrosion, it deteriorates so that your steel tank doesn't have to. When that rod is consumed, the tank becomes the next thing that corrodes. From the inside out. You'll never see it happening until the day water is on your basement floor. The rod lasts 3 to 5 years depending on your water hardness. Replacing it is a $30 part and a 20-minute job with a socket wrench. And here's the part that should make you angry. Multiple plumbing trade sources, from gold medal service to air assurance to first-class plumbing, all say the same thing. Most homeowners have never heard of an anode rod. They don't know it exists. The manufacturer doesn't send you a reminder. The installer doesn't mention it. So the tank fails right on schedule, you buy another one, and the cycle continues. That's not a defect. That's a business model. Drop in the comments if you've ever had a water heater die in under 10 years. I'd bet money the anode rod was toast long before the tank was. Now, the 5 water heaters that actually break the cycle. Number 1, Bradford White. This is the brand plumbers install in their own homes. I'm not making that up. Go to Plumbing Zone, Terry Love, any professional plumbing forum. The same answer comes up over and over. Bradford White is employee-owned through an ESOP established back in 1992. Made in Middleville and Niles, Michigan and Rochester, New Hampshire. Not a single unit leaves through Home Depot or Lowe's or Amazon. Dealer only by policy. The tanks use a porcelain enamel lining called Vitraglas that's fired at over 1600 degrees Fahrenheit with microban antimicrobial protection. Brass drain valve standard. Hydrojet sediment reduction on the cold water inlet. 16-gauge steel on residential models. Honest caveat. The anode rod sits under the hot water outlet nipple, which makes replacements slightly harder than on other brands. But plumbers who install these routinely see 15 to 20-year lifespans. A 50-gallon atmospheric vent unit installed through a local plumber runs around $1,500 to $2,000. That's roughly $65 a year if it lasts 20 years. Your $600 Home Depot unit that dies at 8 is $75 a year before you pay for the second installation. Number 2, Rheem Professional Classic Plus. Not the Rheem Performance you see on the shelf at Home Depot. Different product. The Professional line sells through plumbing supply houses and comes with brass drain valves, thicker porcelain enamel lining, stainless steel heating elements, the Guardian System air and fuel shutoff, and 9 to 12-year tank warranties instead of 6. I helped my neighbor source one last October through a local supply house. Same Rheem logo, $300 more than the Home Depot version, and it'll probably outlast it by a decade. Quick way to tell the difference at the store. Look at the drain valve on the bottom of the unit. White plastic means consumer grade. Brass means professional. That one detail tells you more than any marketing sticker ever will. And for what it's worth, they pull this same brand, different product trick on mowers, chainsaws, generators, everything. I built the No BS Buyer's Vault to cover all of it. Scan the QR code on screen or check the link in the description and pinned comment. Number 3, A.O. Smith Pro Line. Same story, different brand. A.O. Smith sells the signature line through Lowe's. Plastic drain valve, aluminum anode, copper heating elements, 6-year warranty. The Pro line that goes through wholesalers gets the brass drain, magnesium anode, stainless lower element, and an 8 to 10 year warranty. A.O. Smith makes them at their plant in Ashland City, Tennessee, one of the largest water heater factories on the planet. They also own State, Reliance, Lochinvar, and are the joint venture partner for Takagi Tankless. When a company makes a 6-year version and a 10-year version of the same tank, they're telling you exactly how long each one is designed to last. Listen to them. If you've made it this far, you already know this isn't recycled affiliate content. Hit subscribe. I break down equipment like this every week, and your wallet will thank you. Number 4. Rinnai Sensei Tankless. If you want to skip the tank entirely, Rinnai is the conservative choice. Founded in Nagoya, Japan in 1920, their condensing Sensei RX and RU series units carry a 15-year heat exchanger warranty and routinely hit 20 years with annual descaling. Plumber forums call Rinnai the boring option in this category. Boring is the complement. Common failure codes 16, 79, 11, 12 are almost all preventable with a $40 annual vinegar flush. Installation runs $5,000 to $9,000 depending on your region and gas line requirements. That's real money. But over 20 years, the math works. The competing Navian NPE line has impressive features, built-in recirculation, and a buffer tank. But field reports from plumber surveys suggest around 20% of Navian units see mechanical issues within the first 10 years, primarily control board failures and flow sensor problems. Your call on that one. Number 5. The wild card. Rheem Marathon. This is an all-electric tank made from polybutane instead of steel. No metal tank means no corrosion. No corrosion means no anode rod to replace. Rheem backs it with a lifetime tank warranty. Not 12 years. Not 15. Lifetime. These things routinely last 25 years and beyond. The fiberglass outer jacket doesn't dent, doesn't rust, and insulates better than a standard steel shell. The catch: it's electric only, no gas option, and if your electricity rates are high, your operating cost will reflect that. But if you're in an all-electric home, or you're pairing it with solar, the Marathon is the closest thing to a set-it-and-forget-it water heater that exists. 1. Last thing before the recommendations at the end of your screen. If you already have a tank water heater that's less than 5 years old, you don't need to replace it. Buy a powered anode rod. Corro-protec makes a titanium one that runs about $180. On Amazon, it uses a small electrical current to protect the tank instead of dissolving like a sacrificial rod. 20-year warranty. Install it yourself in under an hour. That single upgrade can take a mediocre water heater and push it past 15 years. It's the highest return on investment maintenance move in your entire house, and almost nobody knows about it. Now you do. YouTube thinks you'll like one of these 2 videos, so go ahead and tap it. And if you stuck around to the end, you already know this channel is worth a subscribe.